How to do face verification on ID.me. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you ways to complete the face verification on ID.me. In order to do this procedure, first of all, you have to go and log in into your ID.me account and then head over to your profile icon from the top right hand side corner and go to my account. Now this procedure is better with the help of your mobile device, and while you're on this page you have to go to my IDs and under it you can see manage IDs. So accordingly you need to select what sort of IDs you like to go ahead with, and then you need to go and select the add button. Now as you do that, a pop-up menu will appear right in front of your screen. Accordingly they'll ask you to provide in the information, all that. As you can see, you have to go through all of these steps, and at the last you have to do the face verification. So in order to do the face verification, all you have to do is hold the phone in front of your face to scan it, wait until you get a processing of video selfie or screen. You may be insisted to required to take a still selfie instead, which may take a photo of your face. Then you can submit it. After that, review your submission, then you can follow the prompt to continue the verification process. So that's how it works. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.